Well, good morning. Sometimes you're a software developer, sometimes you're a sales guy, sometimes you're a painter, and sometimes you're a plumber. Today's plumbing day. Show you how I bid it with the free Bid It billing software.
Me a few hours to do this because I had to go get the supplies and I had to think through the supplies. The supply lines were different than the last time, and obviously the water heater. A regular plumber would probably do this if he had the water heater within maybe an hour from top to bottom. I'm going to show you now how you could use Bid It Bill It software if you were a plumber or handyman to build this to the customer.
So open your iPhone, click on Bid It Bill It icon. We're going to go to customers first. Click on any customer that you have, change the address if needed, save it, go back, and then click on new invoice. And I'm going to go down to custom services on this one. And then I'm going to change a category. So you hold down any of the tags up there and then backspace, and I'm going to rename this one water heater. Once you've finished the tagline or tag for it, click on the circle, and then you want to put a quantity. This will be 1, and I looked up the national average for water heaters. It's like $1,400, so I have no idea what the real cost with your area would be. But in the description, I will erase that. I will add, this happens to be, I think it's a Rheem water heater, and it has I think a 9-year warranty. So I put Rheem 50-gallon with 9-year warranty. Once you finish that, you will then click on Done. Sorry, my typing was a little slow here. 9-year warranty. And then click Done. Now Next. And if it's all correct, look up on the top right, click on Quote, change it to Invoice, and then you can either email or print it from this point on.